Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play classic Doom on a modern PC. First, understand that original Doom was designed for older systems, so we use a source port for compatibility. You will also need the game's original data files, called WADs. This straightforward process involves acquiring these two components and then combining them for an enhanced experience. It's much simpler than it sounds, and you'll be blasting demons in no time. To begin, you need the original Doom game data, which comes in files called WADs. The most common ones are Doom, WAD, or Doom 2. WAD. The easiest way to get these is by purchasing a modern Doom collection, such as Doom 3 or Doom Eternal, which often include the classic titles. You can also find shareware versions, like Doom 1.WAD, which provide the first episode for free. Next, you'll choose a source port, which is essentially an updated game engine. These ports bring classic Doom into the 21st century, offering features like higher resolutions, mouse look, and improved sound. GZ Doom is a fantastic choice for most players, providing extensive modding capabilities and graphical enhancements. If you're interested in playing with friends, Xandrunum is specifically designed for robust online multiplayer experiences. Finally, let's get everything running. Download your preferred source port, like GZ Doom, and extract its files into a dedicated folder on your computer. Then, simply copy your Doom WAD files, such as Doom 2.WAD, directly into that same source port folder. Once the WADs are in place, double-click the source port's executable file to launch the game. You are now ready to enjoy classic Doom with modern enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.